Well, are you signed up for your city or county's emergency alert system? According to experts, subscription rates average about 6 to 12% nationwide, a number they say is way too low. ABC4's Rosie Nguyen joins us in the studio to explain how you can stay informed in case of an emergency. Rosie.
Emily, Sandy City officials say their water issue was a big learning experience about how to improve communication with residents. Although they do have an emergency alert system in place, they say there's room for improvement. In the day and age of text messaging and smartphone apps, the ability for local governments to communicate with residents has never been easier. But what most residents don't know is that each city and county uses different methods. In Sandy, officials used the reverse 911 notification system, which they deployed to inform residents about the water issue. But they quickly learned many residents were left out of that list.
What we're learning more about that system over the last couple days is that the only way that works is that if you have a landline or if you've actually opted in and signed up your cell phone number.
She says the city ended up sending crews door to door, but they're now looking into other ways to improve their communication and perhaps incorporate text messaging in the future. However, even then, it's up to the resident to take that step and opt in for the service.
I think we feel really lucky in Utah that most of the time bad things are not happening. So we get lulled into this sense of security. But people really need to realize that there are risks out there, there are some hazards, and one of the most important things is to be informed.
So what do you need to do to stay in the loop? Contact your local city and county government to find out what emergency alert system they use and how you can sign up.
Take that responsibility into your own hands and make sure that you as a resident are ready to get the information that you need, because it could save your life.
Doherty tells me the state has a technology called iPause that can send notifications to residents in a specific area. Everton says the city was not aware about it, but now know that they have this option if needed in the future. Now, we've compiled the list of emergency alert systems in certain cities and counties. You can find that on our website at abc4.com. Dawn, back to you.